Hello and welcome to the Stampin' Sunday blog hop. It's Ruth here at Artful Stampin'. So I'm focusing on the Come Sail Away suite because we were asked to look at a product in the new catalogue that will be available on the 4th of June. As you can see here, there are some beautiful 12 by 12 papers and particularly lending themselves to more masculine colours and shapes, and I just had to have it because that is something that I'm lacking in my collection. Then here's the Memories and More kit. It has various laser cut backgrounds that you can use on your layouts and card making, and also some stickers that are just really useful because they just peel off and stick straight down, and also various cards. They come in the 4x6 and 3x4 measurement, and you can use these to cut, tear, stick, and add extra distressing onto them if you would like to, which, as you can see, I've done here. So I've used the Artisan Textures stamp set, which has some really great kind of grunging effect and paint effect stamp images, and this was great for adding an extra bit of texture around the edges of the card because I just felt it needed to darken up a little bit. I used the Night of Navy ink for that. And here's a card I used the thread that is also available in that suite, the Baker's Twine, and it's Night of Navy and Sahara Sand. And here I've added some extra sponging around the edge of the anchor image. Now this card I used the laser cut stencil to add some extra imagery over the top of, I think it's supposed to be like an old newspaper, and that was really fun. So this card I made for my husband's uncle and did some stenciling around the edge with that lovely wave stencil, and then I kind of did a little sort of collage effect of the sprig leaf and the anchor and little elements, and the thread that I took apart. I used the Sahara Sand. I took out the Night of Navy out of that one. So I'm really pleased how that little card turned out. Then here is a chocolate box. It was inspired by a box that I received from a fellow demonstrator. So I used her measurements but recreated it in balmy blue, and then decorated the top of it with Memories and More cards. There we go, you can definitely see there's chocolate in there. And used the tailored tag punch and some of the Baker's Twine and some metal embellishments which come in that suite. There are 20 pieces, and you get the little anchors and the ship's wheels. So as you can see here, the Baker's Twine is really lovely because though I do love Baker's Twine with the contrast of the white and whatever else colour, it's really nice actually to have it in the Sahara Sand. Now this box, if you would like to recreate it, was pretty simple to do. I did it on my trimmer, and you can also do it on your scoreboard. It measures 3 inches across, it's 1/2 inch deep, and it's 6.5 inches long. So you just add on the extra 1/2 inch at the top and the bottom so that you can create that closure. And I used some Tombow glue that I just put some blobs of along the top there and let it dry, and added that to it. Well, thank you for joining me, and take care.